Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. Today we're going to be looking at Booyah, the Dasher Direct card. We're going to be looking at what this card is, some negatives of it, some positives of it, whether it's a good choice or whether it's a good option for you. So without further ado, let's dive right in. Before I get started with this video, I have to say, if you like this video, definitely hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell to get notified whenever I post informational content like this. Let's dive right in. What is this card? So recently Doordash has released a new debit card for their Dashers. And with this debit card comes a lot of positives. It also has some negatives. So let's dive into all of that. Firstly, how do you get this card? You go on the Dasher app, you go into the settings, order this card. It takes roughly 2 weeks to get to your house. Let's talk about some positives of this card. One of the biggest positives of this card is you can withdraw your funds that you've earned daily. So during the day, you could go out, earn a little bit of money or a lot of money depending on how hard you work. And then at 12 o'clock at night, the funds automatically get transferred into a Doordash bank account, which you could access via this card. I don't want to show you guys my digits. I don't want to get funds stolen. Although I don't really even have anything on here. But the point is, this is essentially a mini little bank account. So with this card comes a app which you can use to track and monitor your funds that are in this card essentially. And it is a separate bank account. So if you don't want to deal with a whole new bank account, I would stay away from this card because it's not connected to your original or your real bank account essentially. So one of the positives of it is obviously you could withdraw funds daily without being charged a fee. Ordinarily you would have to work an entire week before you could access your funds, or if you wanted to use fast pay you would have it to spend $2 for the fast pay fee, something like that. But yeah, that's one of the biggest positives and one of the things that really got me hooked. I was like, great, I could earn money throughout the day, get it at night without being charged a fee, and then use it the next day. But excuse me, but one of the downsides of this card is that sometimes it doesn't work, and that really kind of caused me to get away from it a little bit. So one day I went to work, worked a little bit. At night, the funds were transferred into the card. The next day I went to get some gas. Card said insufficient funds. It didn't work out for me. I went to the ATM to withdraw funds, and it charged me $5.50 to withdraw funds from an ATM. I was kind of angry about that. I was like, come on, man, $5.50 is a hefty price to just get your money. Why am I getting charged this much? And I talked about that in the last video I did about this card, and people told me in the comment section that there are ATMs you can go to that don't charge you massive fees like that, and you can access those via the Dasher Direct app. So definitely go check that out if you don't want to spend up to $5.50 to withdraw your own funds from your account. What are some other positives of this account, or of this card and this account essentially? Some other positives are you get 2% off on gas. So every time you go to fill your car with gas, if you use this card, you get 2% cash back. So $100. If you spend $100, you get $2 back. Not a huge deal, but Dashers do use a lot of gas, so that is a positive. That is a positive aspect of this card. Other than that, it's just like a regular debit card. You shouldn't have that much trouble activating it. Honestly, you don't even need to activate it. As long as you dash and kind of join this card to your Dasher app, you shouldn't have to activate it. Otherwise, funds will automatically be transferred into your account and you could access them pretty easily. But anyways, guys, this video was kind of mumbled jumbled. I hope it made sense. If you did, hit that thumbs up button. If you like this type of content in general, hit that subscribe button as well as the post notification bell. But other than that, I will let you go. I accidentally snuffed myself really hard. That kind of burned. But anyways, I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, have an amazing day.